Looking for the best NutriBullet blenders? In this video we look at some of the top 3 NutriBullet blenders on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. NutriBullet Blender Pros. Delivers 1200 watts of power with cyclonic action, making it capable of performing numerous meal prep tasks. 64-ounce pitcher holds family-sized portions. Has 3 speeds and pulse function. Cons. Noisy. Blades are tedious to clean. Although rare, some lemons have been reported. Bottom line. If you are looking for a powerful blender with a standard design, this is the NutriBullet to get. At number 2. NutriBullet Pro. Pros. This Pro model is praised for its large size and ease of use. Owners report that it is good at blending and is also easy to clean. Has a 900 watt motor. Cons. Leaks were an issue for some, and many felt the motor was less powerful than some of the other NutriBullet blenders. Bottom line. A good quality blender that stands out for being easy to use. At number 1. NutriBullet Rx. Pros. Users appreciated the capacity of this high-end version of the NutriBullet, as well as its powerful 1700 watt motor. Versatile. Owners report it is worth a higher price. Cons. Some issues with leaking, although some found leaks could be reduced or eliminated by following the directions properly. Noisy. Bottom line. A high-quality blender with excellent functionality and power that gives consistent results. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.